My beautiful friends, how are you all doing? Now let's talk about the TGE dates for these airdrops we've been farming. Let's start with this one here, Turn Station. The Turn Station farming ends in 39 days from today. Okay, I'm making this video on the 7th of October, so around the 14th of November. Okay, the farming of Turn Station ends. Okay, let's move on to the next one. And the next one is Memefi. They were supposed to list in 2 days from now, that is on the 9th of October, but it has been pushed back to the 30th of this month, that is October 30th. Okay, and I want to also inform you that 6 major centralized exchanges are already queuing up for the listing of this token, plus one more that is still pending, okay, as at the time of making this video. So big centralized exchanges are going to be listing the Memefi token, guys. And Binance, okay, the biggest of them all, could be one of those exchanges, because there is a Binance campaign, Memefi Binance campaign, okay, that is currently going on. So Binance could be listing Memefi, and that means this listing could be very big. And don't forget that the airdrop criteria has been unveiled. The most important criteria, according to them, is this right here. Okay, how many of this you farmed so far? Very important. Okay, don't forget I said the major criteria, which means there are other ones that are very important also. Okay, for example, your in-game participation. So that's it for the Memefi game. But before I move on to the next game, ensure that your wallet is connected and also ensure that it is funded. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If you go to the wallet section, ensure you've got some ETH, okay, in here. If you do not have, I've got a video about it. Check my playlist section. If you go to my channel, go to the playlist section, you will see videos about Memefi. You will see I have a video there that shows you how to send ETH on the linear network to this wallet. Okay, it's gonna be, the video is also gonna be in the description, okay, if you fancy watching it. Okay, the next is cats. If you found this airdrop, the TGE date is going to be announced soon. We are not certain yet. Okay, we are not very sure of the date they're going to announce that, but we are pretty close to the TGE. Okay, and another information that is worth listening to is that some big exchanges are going to be queuing up for the listing. Okay, the listing partners, okay, Bybit, Get.io, and Holdcoin. What other exchange? I think there's one I'm missing. Okay, if you've not connected your wallet, I've made videos about this, how to connect your wallet. Okay, I'm gonna pin that video in the description of this video. Make sure to check it out to learn how to connect to your wallet. Okay, and make sure you are a part of our Telegram community. The link is gonna be in the description, because I post updates about these airdrops there. Okay, so you won't be left out, so you will know what's happening and when. And what about X Empire? First, I want you to know that there are 2 phases. The first phase of the X Empire farming game has ended. Okay, and full details of everyone that participated already recorded, and we are now playing the chill phase, which is going to last for just about 2 weeks. Okay, after the chill phase, where all participants would be farming 5% of the supply, an additional 5%, okay, added to the initial 70% of the total supply allocated for all farmers. Okay, we are going to be sharing that 5%. Okay, so if you want to participate, just know that this one is going to last for just 2 weeks, and after that 2 weeks, the TGE is expected to happen in the second half of this month, that is October. Okay, so that means anything from the 16th upwards, we should be expecting the TGE. Okay, again, make sure you're subscribed and also make sure you're part of my Telegram community so that you will receive updates, okay, regarding this project. What do you guys think about these projects and their TGE dates? And what about Tapcoins? If you're farming this project, the first phase, okay, was concluded on the 25th of September, on the 25th of last month. And many people were actually expecting the TGE to be in September. Okay, they asked us to connect our wallets and get ready for a snapshot. We did that, okay, and then as you can see, snapshots were taken and we were claiming our airdrops on a daily basis. I was able to accumulate 42,752 TAP tokens, and then after the 25th, they asked us to continue farming. Now, the TGE date for this token is not yet announced. We don't know it yet. So, if you still have the strength, you can keep farming. And what about Holdcoin, ladies and gentlemen? If you are farming this one, the TGE is in October. No specific date yet. Okay, so just keep farming and getting ready. And don't forget, the tokenomics has been unveiled. As you can see here, the total supply is 10 billion hold tokens, and 60% has been allocated for the community. Okay, so 60% of this 10 billion is going to be airdropped to all the farmers of the Holdcoin game. Okay, and 40% is going to go for liquidity, marketing, and the other stuffs. Okay, you can see the breakdown here. Okay, more breakdown here. You can see that 40% is going to be for liquidity providers, ecosystem building, and grants. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the last one. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, is Tapswap. This one, I want to remind you, this one is the second tap to end game after the Notecoin game. Okay, this one came next, and guess what? Most of the tap to end games of its time and era have all launched, done their TGE, and the community have moved on to other projects. But this one is still building. I don't know what they are building. Okay, right from the beginning, I've been very, very critical about this game. But you know what? We don't bring sentiments to airdrop farming. You keep your sentiments somewhere, okay, and then you farm. Okay, the rule of the game is if you make money from it, move ahead. If you don't make money, you also move ahead. Okay, you don't quit. If you quit, you're never gonna make it in the farming space. Okay, and of course, don't forget, airdrop farming is not the only way to make money from crypto. I've got other videos on this channel about how to make money from crypto, like trading, meme coin trading, and other secrets, copy trading, and other secrets. Okay, make sure to check my playlist section. Okay, guys. So for Tapswap, we don't have any specific dates. Okay, at the moment. What do you guys think about these projects? Are you still farming? Okay, this is it for this video. This is all based on music I can. Sign off for now. Don't forget to subscribe and join our Telegram family. The links are going to be in the description. Let's go.